If you need to get in the trunk of your Toyota Corolla E210 sedan and something's stopping you, then check out this video for the manual method. Hi there guys, welcome to another one of my videos. My name is Ross and today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Toyota Corolla E210 sedan. Now, because this uses an electronic solenoid on the rear boot lid or the trunk lid, then they always build in a fail-safe. Now, this has actually two manual methods of opening up the trunk. However, if one is not working, there's the final fail-safe, which I'll show you in just a second. And if your battery is flat and you can't get in the car, you're going to use the manual key out of your key. You're going to pop that in and you're going to twist it, and that will allow you to get into the driver's door. Now, first off, we've just got this trunk lever down here, which should allow you to get in there. But if it doesn't, there is actually a lever found inside the boot. And you can see it just up here. It's actually glow in the dark, so it should shine bright when you're looking inside your trunk, and you should be able to identify it. But let me just show you how you can get to it. So if you've opened up your car, and you can get into the back door like so, or you have to climb over the front seats, you can actually fold down the seats from the inside using that button just there and pulling the seat forward. And this allows you to get into your trunk. And as you can see, the glow in the dark tab is glowing. So you'd climb into the boot and you'd pull that tab down and push the boot lid open, or the trunk lid. Well, there you go. If you found this video interesting or helpful, please give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.